Friends, in today's fast-paced life, we've drifted away from nature somewhere along the way. So today, let me take you to a place where there's peace and real, authentic flavor. Catching these catfish hidden in the wet soil of the fields isn't easy. It takes patience. One by one, this fresh catch fills our basket. These yellow mustard fields and the cool breeze bring a whole different kind of calm to the mind. It's not just fish today. We're also cooking with fresh wild herbs and vegetables. These wild ferns and hautuinia, fish mint, have an incredible taste. This is what real organic food looks like. No chemicals, just straight from nature to our kitchen. Washing these vegetables under cool water in the shade of an old tree, it's a peaceful experience in itself. Cleaning everything properly is important. Now the cooking begins. And for this special moment, we've got a traditional drink to go along with it. Here comes the most important part, the tempering. Red and green chilies, lots of garlic, and hot oil poured on top. The aroma is absolutely irresistible. The fish will be cooked slowly in a stone pot over low heat. That smoky flavor you get from this method, nothing else compares to it. The wild vegetables are lightly sautéed with simple spices. Just look at those beautiful colors. When the food is this delicious, sharing it with friends makes it even better. Every bite feels like nature itself. That spice, that buttery texture of the fish. Honestly, this is what life is all about. Real happiness isn't found in big cities. It's hidden in these simple moments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like for more peaceful vibes. See you next time with a new flavor.